Hello students, welcome to MGC Learning. I am Manju Dilip. Today I am going to start with the 12th standard mathematics topic differentiation part 7. We already studied in the previous video about logarithmic differentiation. So today we are solving more questions from that topic. The first question is cube root of 4x minus 1 upon 2x plus 3 into 5 minus 2x whole square. This is in the format of A upon BC product format. So let y is equal to the given term. This can be written, a cube root can be written as 1 upon 3. Taking logarithm on both sides, you will get log y is equal to log of this full term. In the next step, you can take this 1 upon 3 here. So 1 upon 3 log of 4x minus 1 upon 2x plus 3 into 5 minus 2x whole square by using law of exponential like this. And in the next step, we are applying log a upon bc is equal to log a minus log b minus log c formula. So this will become 1 upon 3 into log of 4x minus 1 minus of this full term. Log of 2x plus 3 plus log of 5 minus 2x whole square. Law of product also we have applied here. So log y is equal to 1 upon 3 into log 4x minus 1 minus of this second term and third term. And here again 2 we can take it out. So 2 log of 5 minus 2x by law of exponential. The differentiate with respect to x, you will get 1 upon y dy upon dx is equal to 1 upon 3 into log 4x minus 1 is in the format of log of ax plus b, that is 1 upon x plus b into derivative of x plus b is a. So here 4 upon 4x minus 1 minus 1 upon 2x plus 3 into derivative of 2x is 2 minus 2 is already there. So 2 upon 5 minus 2x and the derivative of minus 2x is minus 2. Then in the next step, dy upon dx is equal to cross multiplying this y. So y upon 3 into 4 upon 4x minus 1 minus 2 upon 2x plus 3 minus into minus plus 4 upon 5 minus 2x. In logarithmic differentiation, in the last step, you have to resubstitute the value of y. We need only dy upon dx. So you have to cross multiply this one and resubstitute also in the last step. So 1 upon 3 into the question y is equal to cube root of 4x minus 1 upon 2x plus 3 into 5 minus 2x whole square and the remaining term. This is the final answer for this question. Next question is x square plus 3 whole raised to 3 upon 2 sine cube 2x into 2x square. So u into v into w format. So let y is equal to the given question. Taking logarithm on both sides, log y is equal to log of this full term. So log of a, b, c can be written as log a plus log b plus log c by law of product. So log y is equal to log of the first term plus log of the second term plus log of the third term. Now we'll apply law of exponential in the next step. So 3 upon 2 into log of x square plus 3 plus sine 2x whole cube. Sine cube 2x can be written as sine 2x whole cube. So that will be in this format, log a raised to b format. So that can be written as b log a by law of exponential plus logarithm of 2 raised to x square. So here x square is in the format of this one b. So x square log 2. Differentiate with respect to x. So log y with respect to x is 1 upon y dy upon dx is equal to 3 upon 2. The derivative of log of x square plus 3 is 1 upon x square plus 3 and derivative of x square plus 3 is 2x plus 3 into derivative of sine 2x log sine 2x is 1 upon sine 2x into derivative sine 2x is cos 2x, that we will write in the next step, and you have to take the derivative of 2x also here, plus log 2 is a constant, we have taken it out, and derivative of x square is 2x. So in the next step, 3 upon 2 derivative of x square plus 3 is 2x, 2x upon x square plus 3 into Derivative of sin 2x is cos 2x. So cos 2x upon sin 2x into derivative of 2x is 2 plus 2x log 2. That can be written as 1 upon y dy upon dx is equal to 3x upon x square plus 3 plus 6 cot 2x plus 2x log 2. Cross multiplying this y and the remaining terms entirely inside the bracket. Now we will resubstitute the question you have to write here in terms of x. You must get the answer. So this is the final answer. Next question is x raised to tan inverse x. So let y is equal to this given question. Taking logarithm on both sides, log y is equal to log of this question. So log y is equal to tan inverse x into log x. Then differentiating with respect to x, 1 upon y dy upon dx is equal to tan inverse x into derivative of log x plus log x into derivative tan inverse x. That is 1 upon y dy upon dx is equal to tan inverse x into derivative 1 upon log x is 1 upon x plus log x into derivative tan inverse x is 1 upon 1 plus x square. So dy upon dx is equal to cross multiplying this y into tan inverse x to 1 upon x plus log x into 1 upon 1 plus x square. So resubstituting the value of y, that is x raised to tan inverse x into tan inverse x upon x plus log x upon 1 plus x square is the final answer for this question. Next question is x raised to e plus x raised to x plus e raised to x plus e raised to e. In this type of question, you have to give different name for different terms. So because the derivative of x raised to e is in the format of x raised to n, and derivative of x raised to x you have to find using logarithmic differentiation, and e raised to x derivative is e raised to x itself. E raised to e is a constant, it will become 0. So I am giving u is equal to x raised to e, v is equal to x raised to x, and w is equal to e raised to x plus e raised to e together. So the function will become y is equal to u plus v plus w. Now differentiate with respect to x. This question will become dy upon dx is equal to du upon dx plus dv upon dx plus dw upon dx. So first term u equal to x raised to e. Therefore du upon dx is e into x raised to e minus 1, because derivative of x raised to n is n into x raised to n minus 1. Second term v is equal to x raised to x. Taking logarithm on both sides, log v is equal to log x raised to x. This can be written as law of exponential. So x into log x. Now taking derivative of this one with respect to x. So 1 upon v dv upon dx is equal to first function x into derivative of log x is 1 upon x plus log x into derivative of x is 1. Now x cancel. So 1 plus log x is the answer for this one. And cross multiplying, then dv upon dx is equal to, you have to cross multiply the value of v, that is v is equal to x raised to x. So x raised to x into 1 plus log x, that is equation number 2. Now w is equal to e raised to x plus e raised to e is the third term. So derivative of this term is e raised to x derivative is e raised to x itself, and e raised to e derivative is 0. So from equations 1, 2 and 3, this will become dy upon dx is equal to, in the place of du upon dx, we are substituting e into x raised to e minus 1, and in the second term dv upon dx is x raised to x into 1 plus log x plus e raised to x. In the next term we are adjusting. So e into x raised to e minus 1 plus e raised to x plus x raised to x into 1 plus log x is the final answer for this question. Next question is log x raised to x minus cos x raised to cot x. So let y is equal to the given question. Here again we are substituting u is equal to log x raised to x and v is equal to cos x raised to cot x. So therefore this question will become y is equal to u minus v. Now differentiate with respect to x. This will become dy upon dx is equal to du upon dx minus dv upon dx. Now we will consider one by one. So u is equal to log x raised to x. Taking logarithm on both sides, log u is equal to x into log of log x. Differentiate with respect to x, 1 upon u du upon dx is equal to x into log x is the next term. That means derivative of log x is 1 upon log x. In the place of x it is log x. So you have to write that. And since it is not x, you have to take the derivative of that again. So 1 upon x is the derivative of log x. Plus log x into derivative of x is 1. That's equal to here x and this x cancel. So 1 upon log x plus log x. Now you will cross multiply this u. So du upon dx is equal to u into the full term. Now resubstituting the value of u, that is log x raised to x into 1 upon log x plus log x. That is equation number 2. Considering the second term v is equal to cos x raised to cot x, taking logarithm you will get log v is equal to cot x into log cos x. Now differentiating with respect to x, 1 upon v dv upon dx is equal to cot x into derivative of this is 1 upon cos x into cos x derivative is minus sin x plus log cos x into derivative of cot x is minus cos x square x. Now cross multiplying this v. So v into cot x into minus sin x upon cos x is minus tan x minus cos x square x into log cos x. Cot x into tan x is 1. So minus we can take it out from this term as well as the second term. So minus of cos x raised to cot x into tan x is 1 plus this full term as equation number 3. So from equation number 1, 2, 3, all this one we have substituted and we got the answer like this. Minus into minus will become there, and answer term consists plus because du upon dx minus dv upon dx, and second term consists minus, so minus into minus plus. That is why here plus. Next question is, there are three terms, so you will give u is equal to 10 raised to x raised to x, v equal to x raised to 10, and w equal to x raised to 10 raised to x. So y is equal to u plus v plus w, differentiating. Then considering the first step, u is equal to 10 raised to x. Logarithm applying. So log u is equal to x raised to x into log 10. Log 10 is a constant, so we'll take the derivative of only this one. So 1 upon u du upon dx is equal to log 10 into derivative of x raised to x. You already done. So if you remember, you can write like this. Otherwise, you have to solve it here. So x raised to x into 1 plus log x. Du upon dx is equal to, we are cross multiplying u here. So u into the full term here. Then in the next step, you can take this 10 raised to x in the place of u, and x raised to x into log 10 into 1 plus log x is the second equation. Next, considering v is equal to x raised to 10, again the same procedure we have to apply. So derivative of this term is 1 upon v dv upon dx is equal to x raised to 10 into 1 upon x plus log x into x raised to 10 in the format of x raised to n, so 10 x raised to 9. So here one of the x cancelled, so x raised to 9. In the next step, cross multiplying v and do x raised to, this will become 9 plus log x into 10 x raised to 9. So x raised to 9 is common in this both of this term. You can take it out, as well as we are substituting the value of v here. So this term will become this one. This is equation number 3. Now considering the third term, x raised to 10 raised to x, taking logarithm, then differentiating, 1 upon w dw upon dx is equal to 10 raised to x into logarithm x, derivative of log x is 1 upon x plus log x into derivative of 10 raised to x is in the format of a raised to x, so 10 raised to x into log 10. So dw upon dx is equal to w into this full term, and here 10 raised to x is common in both of these terms, and we are substituting in the place of w x raised to 10 raised to x. So 10 raised x raised to 10 raised to x into 10 raised to x into 1 upon x plus log 10 into log x. That is equation number 4. So equation number 1, 2, 3, 4. From that we are getting dy upon dx is equal to, each term you are just substituting in the places of du upon dx, dv upon dx, and dw upon dx. Exercise questions are given to you. Have to solve it. Thank you.